Okay, let's go.
How's everybody? Welcome back to the Jimny Mecca of South Africa. You know where to find us by now. Any color Jimny, any accessory, any build, that's what you come to us for. Right, our latest innovation. Right, we are doing Jimny rentals. Okay, now you can come and rent a Jimny from us, whether it be for 1 day, a week, a month, 6 months, whatever the case may be. If you want to do long tours, you want to come and see us, right? Juan's obviously done some cutaways for you guys already, but for instance, this is one of our biggest setups. It's got a 45-liter fridge that we partnered with Flex for. We've got Adventure Fabtex drawer system. It's obviously got your cutting boards on here. You've got a full kitchen setup in there, so cutlery, plates, cups, a kettle, and then the other nice thing is it comes with a gas stove as well. Okay. Included in that, you get the rooftop tent you can sleep 2 people with, and then you've also got your awning that we do. These vehicles have got full underbody protection. Okay, they've got an 80-liter tank, all the underbody protection, and the tank is done by the Sol. It's obviously a product we support a lot as well. That's an 80-liter tank. Then rock sliders, we've gone with a Ractec roof bar system from the Sol as well. Because the tent's on there, we're going to basically waste the whole roof rack. So we've gone with the bars just to make it a bit lighter. I've been testing this, driving it. Still drives amazingly. The weight, there is a weight difference, but because of the suspension that we put in, handles beautifully and still drives well. You've got extra packing space, so whether you are local or you come from overseas, these are the things that we're going to do. Come and have a look at our second setup. This one is the one we partnered with for the camper company from Cape Town. They have a more minimalistic sort of setup for them. Also, once again, comes with a gas stove. You've got your cutting board. Inside here, there's the storage for the stove. Okay, I'm gonna pop that back in there quickly. Then, what's pretty cool about this, you've got a soft close push-in little spice rack that comes out here. Once again, you've got more storage space here. This fridge also slides out nicely all the way. Once again, Flex 45-liter fridge. And then we've got some more packing space here. Okay, all our rentals, I must mention, all our rentals also come with a recovery kit included as well. So you're not going to leave you stranded, with a puncture kit included as well. So basically everything you'll need. You're basically going to put your food, water and clothes in the vehicle and off you go. You're going to go and have an adventure. So we're pretty excited about this. There is a third setup that we're busy with at the moment. The vehicle's about 90% done. As soon as that's done, we'll give you guys a peek at that as well. But all of these as well, I must mention, are for sale, these setups. So you go from most expensive to medium range sort of thing, and then to the more cost-effective one to suit anyone's budget. Like we said, we're not affiliated to one specific brand. We give everyone a chance at our center, and we give our clients the best experience. You can finance these as well. So yeah, that's about it for the rentals. If you want to know the rates, get in contact with us. It's starting from about 700 Rand a day, all the way up until about 1,200 Rand a day maximum price. So yeah, get in contact with us. Rent a Jimny for a weekend. Your other thing that we can mention, like the 4x4 trips and like driver training, we rent these out for that as well, which we'll be doing with Monty. You can see silver Jimny Captain there in the corner. We'll show you that a little bit later as well. This guy has been doing this job for better of 20 years probably. It's probably more than 20 years he's been busy with this. Very, very experienced. So he'll take you out for the weekend. You can rent a Jimny, drive it, feel what it feels like before you even have to do a purchase with us. Or if you like driving your BMW in the week and you want a little bit of 4x4 adventure, rent a Jimny and have some fun. So yeah, look out for the shorter videos as well, guys. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you follow all our pages for the best content and to get your competition entries as well for a weekend away with one of these cars. Cheers.